Hi, this is Karen Cupico, and today I want to talk a little bit about my book, Making True Love. It is all about healing relationship patterns through past life regression. So this kind of is like a workbook. It's 4 steps. So the first step is learning about and understanding how a past life regression can help you find the root cause of any relationship issue that you might be having. Step 2 is finding the pattern, maybe within these chapters, that helps you understand and learn more about yourself. So in this book, I have 11 different relationship patterns. Some of them are about doing your duty and really trying to take care of everybody, the need to feel wanted, why your heart might be blocked because of past life grief when someone passed. And some of them are about perfectionism, maybe being type A, that type of thing. Of the 11 patterns that are in this book, maybe the pattern that you're trying to work on releasing, there is something that's very similar to that, or something that you're drawn to that you're like, oh, maybe I should work on that pattern, and just start with that. So say, for example, you figured out that you have a pattern of perfectionism or being type A. So go in that direction and try to find the way that you can get to the deepest root cause that you can locate on why you might be a perfectionist. And remember to hit that like button and subscribe. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Step 3 is working to remember a past life or 2 or 3 that helps you uncover the root cause of why you started that pattern. Let's say that you choose to go through the past life regression experience with the intent to find the root cause of why you're a perfectionist. And so then you start your healing. That's part of your healing process. It's part of learning how to love yourself when you work on healing yourself. So you dive deep. You remember some past lives. You go to a past life regression therapist. You learn to meditate and you start to get comfortable with that whole experience, and more information comes to you. You ask your spirit guides and angels to give you clues and signs and clear understanding of this is the root cause for that, to help you heal even more. And then you work through anything that you need to work through on whatever came up, forgiving people that were involved, forgiving yourself, forgiving habits, forgiving whatever it is that comes to your attention. Working through that pattern. And the 4th step is allowing that healing to occur and replacing it with something brand new. So if you define yourself as, well, I'm just type A and I have to have everything perfect, well, that's your role. So in this last step, when you've worked through the healing, you're reframing and figuring out a better way to help yourself feel loved and loving yourself even more. So a perfectionist is someone that's always trying to prove that they're not a burden to their family, to their spouse, to their work, to their friends, to their church, whatever the case may be. And that isn't true, right? You don't have to prove that you're not a burden to all these folks in your life, because they're going to love you no matter what. And on some deep level, sometimes the root cause of being a perfectionist is that you feel like you're a burden to all these people. And so you're going out of your way, above and beyond the call of even the slightest duty, to do whatever for that person, that your family, whomever, your work. You're proving you're not a burden and that you can receive love from them on some deep way. So you can reframe it with the words, I am loved for who I am. I can take a break and it's okay. Because perfectionists don't often sit down and take a break. I am worthy of being loved and respected. It is safe for me to set boundaries and take time for myself. It's okay if something is only at 80% of what I think it needs to be. That's a hard one. I even include in this book, in chapter 17, a whole list of positive affirmations of ways that you can say mantras or affirmations to really bring it home, that new pattern that you'd like to instill within. So the 4 steps again, and using this book like a workbook, the first step is really understanding how past life regression therapy or hypnotherapy can help you heal relationship patterns. Step 2 is finding the pattern, maybe within these chapters, that helps you understand and learn more about yourself. Step 3 is working to remember a past life or 2 or 3 that helps you uncover the root cause of why you started that pattern. Step 4 is allowing that healing to occur, and any old patterns or rules that you created, replacing them with a positive affirmation. And stay to the end to click a link to a guided meditation to help you remember a past life with the intent to find the root cause of whatever relationship pattern you'd like to heal from. Lots of love and light to you.